People have been coming from around the world to see what's new from Samsung Mobile. Let's see what's inside. Okay, everyone's here and it's time for the main event. JK Shin, President and CEO and Head of the IT and Mobile Communication Division at Samsung Electronics keynote speech. The introduction of
the Samsung Galaxy S5, the Samsung Gear Fit.
Now that was awesome. Now that we've seen what the devices can do, let's go see what the press think when they get their exclusive hands-on.
Slick,
fast,
premium.
I guess if I had to choose 3 words, I don't think they'd be 3 separate words, but maybe a sentence, which would be all-round device.
I'd say it's aimed at power users.
I think with the S5, what Samsung's trying to do is show that a phone is a lot more than just a phone.
The pictures didn't really do it justice.
The shine gives it a bit more glamour.
The gold is nice.
The white's nice, but I think just the black's the most premium of the colours.
Whatever they've put on the back feels really nice.
First off, I love the fact that there's now a fingerprint scanner to help you when you're buying online with PayPal.
Water resistance and dust resistance. It's, you know, in a country like Australia, it's a pretty handy thing.
The longer battery life is definitely my favorite.
I start shutting apps to try to conserve battery and turning things off. And the fact that it just does it for you, so you have like the basics, you can still make a call, that's priceless.
To have a 16 megapixel camera to start off with is good, but to have an HDR that you can preview is really impressive.
Actually, I like the way that it was able to do the focusing on one thing and everything fuzzes out in the background, so you can really focus on one item and make it pop.
What I really like about the camera is the autofocus. If it's really that fast as it should be, it's an awesome feature.
I think it appeals to the Instagram generation.
Faster data transfer is brilliant.
Gigabyte in what, 30 seconds?
Yeah.
That's insane.
The fact that it's got a heart rate monitor built into the back, that's really, really cool. And out of the box, no one else is doing it.
Hold it, a couple seconds later, boom, it's got your heart rate.
The Gear Fit, I think, is a surprise announcement of the day.
I like it, and I like how easy it is to flick through.
I haven't tested it out fully, but it looks like it's going to be the nicest of the fitness wearables.
I love this design, and I love that it's talking to my phone, so that might actually pull me into trying something different.
Right.
New Gears will be able to have apps like Runkeeper and Runtastic. Suddenly it's information on your wrist that was never really available before.
I'm already sold, so I'm already in line for the Galaxy Gear 2 and the Galaxy S5.
The new one for me is just plain improvement.
I really like it. I think it's a top product.
Every year, something's getting bigger and better, and right now, the Galaxy S5 is raised the bar.
Yeah, I'm getting one.
So the presentations have finished and there are guys here, there are guys out there are guys everywhere in the race to get their reviews out first. That's all for me at Unpacked, but stay tuned to Samsung Mobile on YouTube for more videos on the all-new Samsung Galaxy S5, the Gear 2, and the Gear Fit.